Yes, as John E. Deaton says, this court case is no longer about XRP. As a matter of fact, from the start, it was never about this crypto. The SEC might say their job is to protect the U.S. traders, but what happens to the rest of the countries? And if that's the case, what are they trying to prove by going after Ripple in the first place? Well, frankly, all that this lawsuit has proven is that the SEC has a lot of secrets they've tried to hide from the public, and that's why they keep stalling this case. There's a chance that the regulatory body doesn't have any concrete evidence against Ripple, but they are just trying to keep the company under pressure. Anyway, from what we've seen, Ripple isn't taking all this lying down. No sirree. And the same case applies for XRP. But here's the funny thing. Not everything is exactly as it seems. Stick around to the end to find out more. For right now, let's roll that intro. Hello guys, and welcome to Moneyside, your favorite crypto channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get updates whenever we drop new videos. To my Moneyside fam, welcome back. Don't forget to smash that like button and comment in the section below if you found this video informative. John Deaton recently joined the Ripple defense team and he's already making waves. Deaton represents the voice of the XRP army and he's doing his job incredibly well. More importantly, we might witness the end of this court case soon if Deaton keeps this up. On the flip side, Ripple is still making meaningful partnerships with some of the major players in the business. But a question that still drives me crazy is why would these companies agree to partner with Ripple if they didn't already believe that this lawsuit is a possible sham or that Ripple will win at the end of the day? And what's more, these are pretty powerful players in the financial market, so they are good at analyzing the future just by using statistics. I wonder what they've deduced from the current state of XRP, because the partners just keep on coming. Anyway, moving on, one cryptic poet just tweeted that Ripple partner Instarem announced corridor from Hong Kong to China. The company states that now their clients can easily send money from China in Chinese yuan on their upgraded Instarem app. That's all thanks to their new upgrades in the system that allows their members to send cross-border money in either Hong Kong dollars or US dollars to China, and the recipients will receive the cash in Chinese yuan. That is a major leap in this sector, considering the hassle it took to send money from Hong Kong to China and again in the native currency. I don't know about you, but can you read between the lines? No? Okay, let me break it down for you. Instarem is an app that deals with transactions. They had quite a difficult time sending money from one state to the next. That's because of the foreign exchange, hefty fines, and fees that made it complicated for their clients, since, at the end of the day, they were the ones to incur the extra fees. But now, because of the partnership between Instarem and Ripple, they've incorporated the RippleNet framework into their system, which allows flawless cross-border transactions at an incredibly low price. Now, that's a huge leap for Ripple, because let's face it, this is one of those news items that could make the XRP price go through the roof. But interestingly enough, XRP's price has barely jumped. Yep, you heard that right. We can all agree there's a huge suppression happening on this coin. But the good news is that it won't happen for long. This coin will rise from the ashes like a phoenix, and that will instantly rule the whole crypto world. Another string of interesting tweets we should be aware of is this one by X Anderson. He says they settled with Tether. Knight Z-Bucks goes on to reply, Ripple gets sued for over $1.3 billion, yet Tether gets off with $42 million fine for billions in actual fraud? How is the Ripple lawsuit not personal? That makes a lot of sense. We all have, in one point or the other, used Tether to find our way into the crypto market. The worst part is that this crypto claimed that it was backed by the US dollar. First of all, that's using the dollar's name in vain. From where I stand, Tether should have been slapped with a heavy fine and face legal action for the same. But they only got a small fine issued to them. That's totally unfair, and it doesn't project this regulatory body in a positive way. So much so that this lawsuit against Ripple now feels more personal than regulatory work. Without a doubt, XRP was well on its way to becoming one of the most powerful cryptocurrencies in the world. But as soon as the lawsuit hit, this crypto's value went down. Most people lost a lot of cash in the process, and the price of XRP hasn't fully recovered ever since then. Now, why are they trying to punish the XRP army? Yet, it just so happens that this is not even about XRP anymore. As you can clearly see, If it was about the law, the SEC should have acted accordingly, even with Tether, and that's just one case. Over time, we've seen the SEC deal fairly with some cryptos, but when it comes to XRP, it's a whole new story. It's either the SEC is trying to cover their own tracks, or they have another ulterior motive for sticking with this lawsuit for so long. Yet, as we can see, Ripple might not have crossed the legal line anywhere. So this entire lawsuit is a sham, and all you have to do is hold on to your XRP until the suppression is over. We all know that they can't hold us back for long. Speaking of which, time now to take a look at the technical analysis, shall we? The price can be seen oscillating between the middle and the upper Bollinger Band. The price can be seen accepting the middle Bollinger Band as a support line. The trading volume has been high in the last 24 hours. Ripple made that move that broke the resistance area marked on the chart at $1.20 US, and then a sharp pullback that touched the blue trend line. For this week, we give a high probability for a continuation to the upside as the bigger correction in the area seems to be over. If the price makes another leg to the downside, we see a potential reversal at the $1.02 to $1.05 level. If we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is pulling some nice numbers today, currently in a euphoric parabola. This is the one algo target overhead, the upper 63,000 region, the 100% extension of the potential wave A. I'm not sure which scale the algos are on, but the 100% extension is a significant target. On log scale, this level is at 72,000, but on linear, it's in the upper 63,000 range. If the algorithms are programmed via the linear scale, we see this target act as a hammer. If it blows through it, expect 72,000. Remember, as always, trade safely, guys. Please keep in mind, we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Tell us what you think in the comment section below and let's have a conversation. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and please click on that subscribe button below. Turn on notifications so you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next Money Side.